Hello everyone, it's Jackie back, and today I'm sharing a swap journal with you. I've made this for the Christmas Traveller's Notebook swap on Junk Journal Junkies. The requirement was 4.5 by 8.25 and a minimum of 10 pages. I've put 12 in, which I think equates to 48 sides. I've tied mine with some green sari ribbon. It's got a sort of hint of maroon in there as well. And on the front I've used a tsunami rose image and 3 little wooden Christmas trees just to embellish it. The pockets have got little sort of snippets on with charms added, so it's a reindeer on the front pocket, and I've stitched some lace down the front page there. I've used tea-dyed paper and a couple of Christmassy stamps. I don't really have Christmas stamps, but I've got some ivy and some holly, so I've stamped those in gold on various pages. I've left a lot of journaling space because that's what I like in my journals. We've got a belly band here made with some vintage music paper, and this is a Mrs. Cog image stitched onto tea-dyed paper. This pocket has got a star charm, and I've made a little booklet using the Christmas tree flower fairy as a front cover. Just some piano paper, some old ledger paper and some more tea-dyed paper. This is machine stitched, so it's unlikely to stand up to years of turning the pages. Tends to act like perforation, so you may want to tear those pages out and use them separately. This is the holly stamp at the top here. This is from a vintage atlas, and I've picked this because it showcases the little town where I live at the bottom here, which is Southam in Warwickshire. This side is upside down because that's how the atlas worked. Tea-dyed. This is from my gardening encyclopedia. This is some tsunami rose paper that I've used as edging. This is from a floral botanical book. This little tuck spot, I've done a Tracy Fox envelope, style envelope in here. So that's that. I've used the mistletoe from Edith Holden as a centre. This top tuck spot, Christmas tree, and a little tag in a pocket. Some more tea-dyed paper. This is a Mrs. Cog image, and a little Christmas wreath on that pocket. This pocket, I've got another tsunami rose image and a snowflake. This is just fussy cut and glued on, just because I liked it really more than anything. And I've made a large tag on the back, which is just stitched onto some old French paper that I happen to have on my desk, I think, when I was doing that. So that's my entry into the Christmas swap. I hope you like this if you end up getting it, and I hope everybody's doing okay, and I'll see you all again soon. Thank you.